Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you how you can use Gemini 3 Pro for free. So first method is pretty obvious, that you can go to gemini.google.com/app and here you can change it to thinking with 3 Pro and you can use it, but this one is paid, like it is limited. You can use it for limited time, so you will need to purchase the paid plans if you want to use it more. But let's uncover the other methods that you can use to use the Gemini Pro for free. So the second method is by using this Google AI Studio, which is for the developers. There are lots of credits, so you can use it for free for any necessary tasks. Then there is another method by using lmarena.ai. Here you can go to direct chat and you can select Gemini 3 Pro and you can use the Gemini 3 Pro for free using the LM Arena AI website. Then there is this final method, that you can use Gemini Pro free for the whole 1 year. If you are a student, just you need to click on this get an offer and here you can verify your eligibility and you can use Gemini 3 Pro for free for the whole year. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.